it's Megan with WTI, and I think that cooking, like any other skill, is only going to get better when you have the right tools. And I found that this La Cuisine Barbecue Accessories Kit has really helped me to up my cooking game. It's definitely made for and good for barbecuing, but I found that the tools in this set go way beyond that too. The thing I was probably the most excited about from this kit was the burger press. I have been wanting to make onion smash burgers forever, so I was really pumped to try it out, and I was pleasantly surprised by just how fast and easy they were to make, and especially with this cast iron press, it made it even easier. The long fork and the tongs make it so simple for me to move any kind of meat that I'm cooking around the grill so that I can make sure that it's getting the right amount of heat so it cooks perfectly. I've been loving using the squeeze bottles. I find that it really helps me to get an even distribution of any sauces that I'm using, and it also helps me to have more control over how much oil I'm using in my cooking. The chopper has been great for cutting all kinds of things from baked goods to meats, and the spatulas are angled just right, and the metal is not in any way flimsy, so it makes them perfect for serving food and for flipping anything I'm cooking so it gets an even cook. This kit from La Cuisine has really helped me to expand my cooking experience. But that's just my point of view.